Barcelona, make una dey calm down. Oh, I swear, make una dey calm down. When I no do it because say una lose this match, and I go come say, let's take it out on Real Madrid. One day, if you jam Real Madrid with this kind of heat, nobody go slice you now. Because Real Madrid self are not even joking. Make Adagula no catch you now, I swear. When una calm down, calm down, relax, yeah. And mourn your loss. You lost the treble, you lost the Champions League, your first semi-final in the last 7 years. You lost it. So just calm down. It's not bad that you lost. It's not bad. So just calm down. Remains. Have a sober reflection. And then prepare for the Sunday game. Don't come to the Sunday game and say you are going to take out the Inter Milan loss on Real Madrid. I got piano you won slightly. The last El Clasico goal, just slightly, you took it away, and you're saying that if Madrid catch you now with this kind of this thing, well, you want me?